Your third program. So I'm trying to make these fun for you guys while we're learning these programming concepts. So this one is an interactive fictional story. And so the summary up here kind of tells you what the scenario is. Basically, you're going through this magical land. You've got to go through this heavily wooded forest to get to your village. And you start your journey with full health, magic, and lives. So you start with 50 units of health, magic, and 5 lives. And the game is going to end after 25 rounds, or if you run out of health, magic, and lives. Okay, so round 1, you reach a fork in the path and you have to go right or left. So you pick a 1 or a 2. Based on what you pick, then you encounter various adventures, which either, add to your health, magic, and lives or subtract from your health, magic, and lives. Okay, so that's kind of your scenario. You're going to create a new program and you're going to call it Fantasy Forest. So to help you with this, because there is a lot of writing to the council, I am actually giving you a lot of that text. So you're going to create Fantasy Forest and then you are going to copy all of this and paste it into Visual Studio. And I'm just going to bring up kind of my testing one here. So you'll notice there's a lot of comments, and the comments signify what you need to do in here. Okay, so you'll notice there's code kind of mixed in with comments. And so in the comments is kind of where I put the algorithm. So you can see the instructions are right here. Create the following integer variables. Lives initialized to 5. Alrighty. So then I do int lives equal 5, not 6. Health initialized to 50. Int health equals 50. Magic initialized to 50. Okay, so you can kind of see there's a method to my madness always. I've got a counter initialized to 0. So you're basically going to go through here and read the directions and write up your code. Here's number, but you don't need to initialize that. So what that means is int number. Okay. You need a bool variable named end, and you're going to set it to false. All right, so you're going to do exactly what it says. String variable named dir, and you do not need to initialize it. So it's going to be like number. Create a random object named rand and give it a var data type. So here's a string named dir. Random variable named rand. So we got var rand equals new random. Okay, that is how you create the random object. Okay, then we've got our little scenario that gets printed out. Call print stats, create a while loop with the condition not end. So I think this is pretty self-explanatory. So you're just going to go through and you're going to code this up. And to make your life even easier, I'm actually giving you the console.write line strings. So, you could actually convert this directly into a console.write line. And you just move that closing parenthesis here, and voila. All right, so I am trying to make this painless, and I think you guys are going to have fun with this. At least I hope you do. Um, if you run into problems or you aren't sure of what you need to do, please let me know. I created this for you guys to have a little bit of fun while you are practicing your coding concepts. When you have this running, when it's all working, you will take a copy and put it in the Dropbox. So you're going to edit your submission. You can either copy and paste to the very bottom here, or you can create a little text file. It could be a Word document too. It doesn't matter to me. And you can create a little text file and drag it up here. So, whatever is easiest for you guys works for me. Okay, so that is the assignment. I really hope you guys have fun with it. Again, I'm trying to give you as much as I can in here so that, you can see that there's an awful lot of the console.write text that I've got here for you. So it shouldn't take you all too terribly long to finish this. But if you run into problems, let me know. I am happy to help.